How to use Chatgpt for coding without experience. So to use this feature or to use this step-by-step breakdown, first of all, open the Chatgpt application itself. From there, all you have to do is start with the project manager prompt. All you have to do is simply copy this prompt that I have written over here, that you can find it on the screen. Once you have typed this, simply tap on this arrow button to send this prompt. And as you can see, now you should be able to find all this process over here. Simply tap on this option called install Python and you should be able to install it on your device. From there, tap on the create a project folder. What you can do is simply tap on this two lines on the top left to start a new project by simply tapping on this project option. You can tap on this plus or tap on this new project to initiate it and follow all these steps one by one, and you should be able to learn coding even without the experience itself. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.